everybody, and welcome back to another video. In this one, I'm going to be showing you how to build this extremely fast automatic staircase thing. I don't even know what you actually call this, but you can come right here, and this thing's actually only 2 wide. So it was a little bit tricky for me to get the pulses through because the button is right here. It's actually powering this block. But there's nothing there to be powered, so I'm actually using quasi connectivity with block updates to get the output, and then I use the wall to send an input upwards. So over here, look at how fast it is. It is so fast. I don't think you can get any faster than that. Now, unfortunately, because it is so fast, you do take survival. Well, you do take damage. It does deal damage, unfortunately. So, how high I have it? Ooh, I just jumped off. I'm so used to being in creative mode. But the height I have it, it only hurts you twice sometimes. Apparently, if you stand like around here, it doesn't hurt you as much. I guess it's still totally random. But if you replace these blocks for any transparent blocks like slabs or stairs or glass, the player won't deal any damage because you can't suffocate in that. So yes, you do take suffocation damage. That's the issue. Now this is a tutorial, so I'm gonna show you how to build this. I've actually not popped it in my inventory, so I'm gonna end up coming like this. I'm not gonna list the exact specific item that you're going to need because I mean, it's kind of a big build. So I think I've gathered everything that you'll need. Yep. Alright. So you will need observers, redstone dust, one slab or glass, whatever you want. A note block, a button, sticky pistons, any decoration block, 2 pistons, blocks for redstone to go on, and then I think only 1 redstone repeater. Okay, 2 redstone repeaters. Yeah, 2 redstone repeaters. So we can go ahead and come over here. And the first thing that we need to do is determine and decide in what way do we want to build it. So this is going to be our floor. Now it does come down 2 from the floor. So this is our floor, and it's going to be 3 wide floor. And then you're going to have it come up, 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 and essentially for as far as you want it to go. In this case, I'm going to do the same as here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then come here and go up like that. And you should have it to where you jump. When you jump, you hit your head on that. So that's what we want. So just go ahead and get this up. Just like that. We don't need the top one because once you get pushed up from here, this is going to push you across. Now, and then for the decoration blocks, we just need to place blocks like this. Sorry if I sound kind of weird. I just woke up. It's the next day when I was recording, so I actually constructed this yesterday, and decided I wanted to build it today. So there we go. That's how the build is. And then when it extends, you can actually see when the block comes over here, you can actually see out over there. So what I like to do is just add 1 layer of blocks, 1 extra layer. And then I actually don't do it down here because it doesn't really make a difference down there. So we can go ahead and get all of our redstone components. I just now realized something. Normally my the redstone components always just fill up my hopper and that's it. So place a sticky piston here, 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 here. And keep on going until you get to your last one. Don't place one there. Then place a sticky piston here, 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 and oh no, I put them in the totally wrong spot. Sorry. Here, 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 and there. So the only redstone that will actually be showing is that piston right there, if you don't count the button. That's the only redstone thing that actually ever shows in this build, but you can't really hide that, so it's just there. So come around the back and where this line is right here, that's where you want to place your button. So your button goes right there. You don't need a button anymore. Now place a sticky piston right here. I said sticky piston. I think it was a sticky piston. Yeah, okay. Right here. A block here. A piston here, and a decoration block here. This is what sends the signal upwards to the rest of the circuit. Now place a temporary block here. One more. Another one. And another one. Remove these temporary blocks. And place an observer. Oh, sorry. Just temporary block up to there. Place an observer there. Remove this temporary block. Actually, you want to keep it there. Place an observer here. Remove that temporary block. Place a sticky piston like this. Now that is temporary. This whole thing right here is temporary. This is just to get a fast redstone tick, as you can see there. Because if you, it's that versus that. And as you can see, there is a difference. This one's much faster. And to make it faster, that's why I do that in a lot of my builds. Because that's how you get that fast pulse. And now it should be like that. And this right here is actually a block update. So when we press that button, it will, this sticky piston will realize it using quasi connectivity. So then place a temporary block here, a piston here, the temporary block. And that is not how it's supposed to be, is it? No, it's not. Is that the floor? Oh, I'm so sorry. I also placed a sticky piston there. I was trying to figure out why it didn't look right. And then, a piston right there. I was trying to figure out why it didn't look right. It looks so wrong. So, then place an observer here. Replace this block, with glass or slab. Any transparent block. Then place a redstone repeater, I think. No, it's redstone dust. No one knows the slab. Yeah, redstone dust there. Then you're gonna have an observer coming up like that. Now, if you're playing in 1.16 or above, you can do this. But if you're playing below 1.16, you have to do this. It's just because redstone breaks on pistons. Now you can actually do that even if you are playing on 1.16. I'm just gonna do that for the tutorial sake. So that is a piston, so we actually don't need that block there. I just not realized that. So what that's gonna do is that it's gonna pulse down to that piston. Now, I don't know why that block was there. Place two observers like this, and it should be pointing directly into the sticky piston. Yeah. Then place an observer there, a block here, an observer here, redstone repeater here. Put that back in. Then take an output from that redstone repeater like this. And then an output from that observer going downwards, and an output from that observer going downwards. And these pistons are going to be getting powered using quasi-connectivity. So this entire build uses quasi-connectivity. Then when you get to your very last one, you're going to place an observer here. Place a 2-tick repeater. A 2-tick repeater right there. And that is most of the redstone done. So now we just need to actually activate the bottom circuit. To do that, we take an output from that piston right there. And we, did I just find a way to cheapify this? Yeah, and so the way I built it is like this. A note block here. You don't need your note block anymore. And then you have it come up. Like so. And it's gonna go all the way up to your very last sticky piston. Boom. It's done. Now you just need to flick the sleeve it. I mean flick the sleeve. I'm so used to saying that. Press this button. And what you should see is as soon as this sticky piston finishes extending, that one will extend, so on, so on. So there we go. Now, I don't normally do this on camera, but I think I found a way to actually cheapify this. It's what I like to call it. Do this. No, because then that will throw it off tick. Because it's pulse and then one pulse, one pulse. And so it's pulse. No. But if we place a piston here, that might work. Okay, well, clearly not. Oh, of course, because this extra pulse we need. Yes, that's how you have it. I was just wanting to try something that I don't normally do on camera. So, there you go. So, there you go. That is the build. And if any of them got pushed up, then just put them back. So, I hope you guys liked this tutorial and this build. If you liked it, then please leave a like. And if you loved it, then please subscribe. That'll be greatly appreciated. And then also ring that notification bell to get notifications when I upload some more content. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, and don't forget to comment what you guys want me to do in the next video. Goodbye!